Hi guys. So as we all know, today is my birthday. Oh well. Anyways, first off, thank you all for birthday wishes, shout outs, everything, the gifts, the money. Thank you all so much. I'm really grateful. So I'm basically making this video. This is more like an unboxing video. So I wanted to like unbox my gifts. I feel so special, guys, because anyways, let's start. Okay, this one. So this was given to me by, should I call their names? Should I call their names? I won't call their names, don't worry. You know yourselves, Sha. So this was like given to me by two of my classmates. They're like sisters. So they got me these socks. These cute socks, you guys. Oh my god. With chocolates and this shortbread and shimo chocolate. Yeah, and card. Shall I read out? Okay. Dearest Daphne, happy birthday to you. I pray your day is as glamorous as you are. Please keep staying pretty, love. I hope we got this smile right. Much love, your Denims. I'm gonna say. So yeah, this is actually very nice, and yeah, and this too. So you guys, today was actually very nice. It was really nice. I'm going over to the next gift. This one. Okay, this one was also given to me by someone special. Like what? Yeah, it's just like a bag filled with chocolates and fab biscuits and this crash, like 3 of them also. The other one just on the side. Then again, this other one was given to me by my bunkmate. Shout out to you, bunkmate. Okay, there are 2 different gifts inside here. This one's given to one of my friends. I love this. It's so cute. And like this closet. Then my bunkmate gifted me this body sprays and perfumes, which is nice. I mean, it gotta smell nice, you know. B21. Then this other one, yes. Okay, this other one was also given to me by someone dear to me. So it also contains like 2 gifts. This bracelet is like from someone else entirely. I just like put it in here. This bracelet, yeah, it's so cute, guys. And some other things as well. Okay, yeah, I think there's a claw clip in here. So cute, crunchy. Expect this one. Then this phone pouch. I love this phone pouch, guys. Like, it's so cute. I feel like you guys just know how to get to my heart, because it was all this. And then I feel like if I show this, you guys already know who gifted me this, but oh well. And this cute gloss. So yeah, you guys already know who. You guys please patronize her. This scarf Thank you so much for this. I love it so much. Chimo. Okay. And this note, she left a note inside. It's for my eyes only. Then down to the last one. Like, you guys, like, I don't even know where to start from for real, because this one I'd say this is my favorite. Before I show you guys this, there's like a pack of Alpenny inside, and it's like one of my favorite candies. It's actually my favorite, this Alpenny. There's a note inside. It's for my eyes only. Like, this one is for my eyes only. I'm not ready yet, Sha, but I'll read it after. Okay, from what I'm seeing from note, I think he's related to this. Now, this is a sweatshirt, right? Like, it's pink, it's cute. I mean, it's my thing, something I love. But it's more than that. It's not just a sweatshirt, guys. Read. Look at it well. Do you guys see that? In case you can't see, let me read it out. Becoming her, the star path. Like, the thought alone of making this, like, I don't know what to say, but this is bizarre. Like, it's everything. Chineke move. You guys won't understand. Like, I don't even know how to explain. But yeah, that's majorly it. Then my roommate did this through the map of Africa. Daphne of not even Daphne of Africa. Daphne of Africa. Africa. That's what she said. Daphne of Africa. So this is cute, actually. Then she wrote me this. I know Daphne, Dara, with the drawings. So cute. Then, am I missing? Yeah, I got early gifts, actually. Like, I think that was like 2 weeks ago. Called clips, headbands, super cheap. They're like far away from me right now. And then what else again? Yesterday last night I got Capri-Sun, Capri-Sun. It's something. Then another person took me out yesterday, and I was like, I'm just really grateful for like all the love, everything. Like, today has been so amazing. Those that called, those of you that hey God, how do I say this right now? You made your whole family wish me a happy birthday. Like, I love you so much. I love you so much, Abuki. You know yourself. I love you so much. I love you all so much. Thank you for making this day a special one. I'm really grateful, for real. I'm really grateful. So yeah, I think that's it. Bye, guys. And remember, we're becoming her with God, with grace, and with glow up.